Hello! If like me you have animals, and by animals I mean chicken, geese, stuff like that, pheasants, you will know that you will need to give them a level of protection. If you leave them freely on your land without any supervision or without any protection, it's highly likely they won't end up the day, and if they do, they won't pass the night, okay, because of the predators. So here I am in Spain, and the problems I have are during the day the eagles, which come and they can easily can catch a chicken. Or I do have as well a problem with people that let loose their dog, they just abandon them, and now the poor creature obviously will need to feed himself. Then they come roaming around, they will end up on the property, and they will start attacking the chickens or whatever you have, which is a problem. Now the other problem I have are foxes. Those ones come mainly at night because they're a very shy creature. So anyway, in your country it might be different and you may have a problem with other animals, but anyway we will need to address this to make sure the animals are fine and can stay with us a long time. Okay, so I'm gonna show you what works for me, what I've done, and hopefully this will work for you as well. As you can see here, I've got two geese that someone gave me. Before I used to have some chickens in a small hen house, as you can see on that photo that I've got here. Quite small, but it worked quite well. It was nice, but with time it started to be a bit cramped. Therefore I started building a much bigger one, and unfortunately some wild dogs came and they did a massacre. They just killed just about every chicken I had, and this put me off quite a lot. Therefore I didn't have anything for quite some times, until a friend of mine gave me those two geese, and I thought it would be a shame not to take them. So therefore I took them with me. I've got them for about 8 months. They run free on the property. During the day they're close to the house, and at night they are in an enclosure that it's not secured. Therefore a fox or whatever animal can come and just kill them at any time. But I will show you what I've done to keep them safe. Believe it or not, this is where I keep the geese at night. As you can see, it's not finished on the side. The roof is not done, or partially, but an eagle can come in without any problem. A fox can just climb this over. Basically they can just be killed at any time. But I keep them here at night absolutely safely. So how I've done it, I've just at first placed 2 dogs with them. I've got some Cocker Spaniels, which are known to be friendly and sweet, and it worked beautifully. Until a friend of mine told me, I'll give you an animal and this one is just perfect for you, try it. And you will see not a fox and nothing will come in as long as that animal is inside. And I've tried and it works beautifully. It's a pig. Yes, a pig. I will show it to you now. She's quite friendly, she's beautiful, and it works a treat. Here we go, you've now met Josephine the pig. Here we go. So as you can see, she's quite impressive, but the best of it, she's very friendly. And with her, there's not a single predator that will come in. So that's just brilliant. At night, I just give them a bit of food, they all go in, and that's it. Okay, so I don't know, maybe this will give you some ideas. Anyway, I hope this you've liked that video, and we'll see you in the next one. Ciao.